Hi my friends, today we model this part. It is not so complicated. The name is bearing housing and the drawing is here. We'll use these dimensions to create the object. We start by creating this profile, which will contain three features. This is one, this is two, this is the third, you see here. But we can create a new drawing, a new sketch with all of them ending here. Let's start. Let's see how to do this. Standard millimeters IPT, new sketch, XY plane, and we draw lines. This is 72. Then down 13. Then to the left 62. All the dimensions are in the drawing. I go here, here, and close. This dimension is 22. And now we have a fully constrained sketch. Yes, but we add other things. We draw a line from here to somewhere, up, then to the left, up, left, down. We go here, we apply, click, press left button and continue with an arc. And we end here. This must be tangent, and other dimensions are 57 for this arc. 10 millimeters is this, 20 here, 48, and a total dimension is 145. Then this is 16. And two dimensions are needed. I don't see what are they, but this is one of them, 106. And another, I don't know. Let's see, maybe a tangent here. This with this. No, tangent. No, it is. Let's see what is missing here. Oh, the value of the radius. This is 4 millimeters radius. I continue with this construction. This is one future volume, this is another future volume, and the third one is this one. Line, arc, and go here. This is parallel to this, like an offset. Then the dimension is 7. these two are coincident, these two centers. And now we have a fully constrained sketch. Please remember 1, 2, 3 close contours. Finish sketch, and I create the first, this one. The dimension is 96. This is 96, and it consists of this area. Extrude this area, symmetrical, 96. Now the sketch has disappeared. Oh, what a problem. Not any problem, my friends. We go here and we share this sketch. Sharing it, we can continue to create features by using the sketch. You see, this is identical with this. If you modify something here, is also modified here. Extrude, this is 50. You see, not 50, excuse me, 43. Double click, 43, and this is good. Let me see how is the thickness of this. 10. I apply extrude for the last close contour with the thickness of 10. Now I hide the shared sketch, and I continue by creating this cylinder. I select this face, I draw a circle with diameter of 43. You see that 20 used by me here was only to have this face. It would be also 18, 15 and so on, but not outside. Finish sketch, extrude this both to this face with join, not cut. Okay, very good. Now we see that the presentation is this one and not this one. We can change this with a simple modification. We apply redefine for this shared sketch by selecting not XY plane but YZ plane, and everything is changed. Yes? Why? Because we used all the dimensions referring to that plane, and now the plane was changed. Very good. Now if we take a look to the drawing, we see here undimensioned fillets are radius 5. There are a lot of fillets. You see all this, including these ones. Let's do this. I start with this one. 5 is the value, and I continue, as you can see. Also here here up, and on the other side okay. Now I want to add this slot. This slot is placed at 26 from this face. 26, we create a plane. But firstly I select this and I have the center of the circle. I create a plane based on this, which contains that center. Then I apply 26 from that plane. 26. This is no more useful, and I create a slot here. Slot center to center. This is 22, and the diameter is 7 multiplied by 2. There is a distance here of 24 from up. 24. This is 48. This means that this is placed in the center. Finish sketch, extrude this contour to the part. You see? Okay. This is no more necessary, and neither this one. Another slot is inside, radius 4, or the difference between radius 4 and radius 7. We use the last version because we use offset. Offset of 7 minus 4. What is the depth of the cut? We'll apply a cut. 4.5. We apply extrude of the internal slot with cut on 4.5 like in the drawing. Very good. Now we see a hole with no diameter. I forgot. This is my business. A very interesting business. 27 is this hole. I apply hole, I select the face, I select the center, and I apply through for 27 dimension. Another hole is this one in the center at 24 with diameter of 8. This is present. I didn't forget. Good. I select this face. I have 2 points. I draw a line. Then I place a point in the middle because I can select the midpoint of this line. Then I apply extrude, not extrude, excuse me, hole. This point was selected because it is a cross, and the diameter is 8, and the end is to this internal face, you see. Okay, now the two slots, these ones, 21 diameter, double of radius 6.5, 64, 24, and 60 is the distance between them. I select this face, I create a new sketch, I use slot, the length is 21, the diameter is twice of 6.5, and the positioning is 24 from this end to this line, 24, and the distance from here to the center point, this is the center point, I can select it from here, yes, is 60 divided by 2. Fully constrained sketch, extrude this contour, cut all the way. Okay, then we apply mirror of the last feature about this plane. You see the result. Okay, now I suppose I finished, but there is also a fillet here, you see, around the slot with radius 2 millimeters. Let's apply this. I select an edge, this is by default. Okay, let's see what is the volume. Properties, physical, update, and copy, close, drawing, double click, and the value is this. There is a difference from the 5th rank, so there is not a big difference. I don't know what is missing or changed, but I am sure that what we did here has this volume. Okay, let's apply the material. Material is steel cast. The presentation is also steel cast, and we apply without edges, and this is what we have. Then I select some faces to be machined. You can select many other, but press the shift key from the keyboard. I apply here steel polished. You see these faces. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.